Hi, my name is C. Maxwell and I welcome you to this video tutorial. In this lesson, I will teach you how to design book covers for your electronic books in Microsoft Office Word. So if you are a content creator who wants to write and sell articles or electronic books online, then stay tuned. Take a look at one of my ebooks I created recently. This is one of my ebooks, and the first page is the cover page of the ebook. Alright, so after that, I have my table of content page, and then the actual content begins from here. I actually have 8 pages in this book. Alright, so this ebook is about health benefits and hazards of cannabis. I've already published this book on Gumroad. If you are a content creator and you are interested in writing articles or ebooks for sale, then Gumroad is one of the best platforms to market your digital products with. Alright. Now let's jump into the process. Launch your Microsoft Office Word application. The first element I will insert in my document is the rectangle. So hover your mouse cursor over the Insert tab on the menu bar and click on it. And from the Insert ribbon, click on Shapes and choose Rectangle from the options. Now step at the extreme top right corner of the document, then click and drag. Press Ctrl and C on the keyboard to copy your active shape. Then press Ctrl and V to paste the copied shape. Use the transform controls to decrease the height of your shape. I will change the color of this shape to gold. So click on Shape Fill and select Gold Accent. Alright. Now press Ctrl and C to copy this layer and Ctrl and V to paste it. Use your transform controls to increase the width and then decrease the height to any reasonable amount. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's increase that a little bit and set the shape fill color of this shade to blue. So click on shape fill and click on blue. At this point, I'll insert my image, but before that, I will insert another rectangle. So press Ctrl and V to paste the already copied rectangle and use the transform controls to change the size of this rectangle. Position it this way, and I'll change the shape fill color to white. Now I'll insert my image. So locate your image and select and drag it into your document. Now part of my photo is hidden behind this element. So click to make the image active, then click on Format on the menu bar, click on Wrap Text and select in front of text. Click and drag to position the image on the white rectangle, then use the transform controls to resize the image. Okay. Okay guys, I think this is okay. At this point, we will insert the title of the book with the use of the text box. So once again, go to the menu bar and click on Insert, then click on Text box. Select the first text box which says simple text box. Good. Use the transform controls to increase the size of the text box. Click in the text box and type the title of your book. But before I'll type my title, click on the Home tab and increase the font size to about 36. Now let's type our title: Health Benefits and Hazards, and hazard of cannabis or weed. Press Ctrl and A to select the text. Click on bold and click on center alignment button. Then let's increase this to highlight cannabis / weed and change the font color to red. So now we are done entering the title of our book. But I have a stroke around my title, stroke around my text, and also has a shape fill of white color which I don't need in my cover. So click to select your text box, then click on format on the menu bar, click on shape fill and select no fill. Click on shape outline and select no outline. Okay, so now we have our title inserted. At this point, I'll insert another text box. Go back to insert on the menu bar and click on insert text. Then click on draw text box. So this text box will contain the name of the author, so that your authors will know, so that your readers or customers will know the author they are reading from. Click on shape fill and select no fill. Click on shape outline and select no outline. Click in the text box to insert the insertion point. Click on the font color arrow and choose white color. Now I'll type prepared by, let me increase this font size. Alright, press Ctrl and A to highlight the text. Then I'll decrease my line spacing 0.0. Okay, I think this is cool. And I'll move my text down here a little bit. Now go to the home ribbon and set your text color to white. I can see my rectangle element have black strokes around them, so I'll get rid of them. Click to make the element active, then go to format on the menu bar, then click on shape outline and select no outline. Click on the yellow element or rectangle to make it active, then click on shape outline again and select no outline. This time around, click on the blue rectangle in the format ribbon and select no outline. Make the white rectangle active, then click on shape outline on the format ribbon in the format ribbon and select no outline. Guys, we are done creating our book cover. For you to sell your ebooks online, you need to convert your book covers into markups. Okay, so I will teach you how to do that in my next video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for all video updates.